In this video, I talk about the benefit of playing the cello in different spaces. You will see me play the Swan with recorded piano accompaniment in two different spaces. First in a hall and then in a richly furnished room. You will hear fuller, more reverberated sound in the first recording and much drier sound in the second recording. I find it helpful to practice in different spaces because I am reminded that the way my cello sounds depends on the space I play it in. It is true, of course, that when I play in spaces with dry acoustics, I have to work much harder to produce fuller reverberated sound. But people comment that the way the cello sounds in spaces with dry acoustics is actually quite special because it feels more personal. Let me know in the comment section what you think about that. Another reason it is helpful to play in different spaces is that when you arrive at a new venue, you are not put off or stressed out by the sound of your own instrument. Students who start playing in public often comment on the disappointing experience of hearing their own instrument sound different. It really throws them. But that doesn't need to be the case. I advise them to play in different spaces with an open mind and just accept that wherever they play, the sound they'll hear is of the collaboration between the space and the cello. The lovely recorded piano accompaniment is from pianoaccompaniments.com. Their link is in the description. I highly recommend them. While we call the piano part an accompaniment, it is actually a co-creator of the piece. Let us hear the two recordings now. I hope this video was helpful to you, and for more tutorials on how I practice the Swan, check out the Swan playlist. If you want to learn with me, see the link in the description. I'll be so thankful to you when you show your appreciation for this video and this channel. I now have a link to buy me a coffee. It's in the description. Thank you for watching and have a great cello practice today.